Okay, so, let's just see the whole thing. There's the harness. All right, so on this end, we've got a connector with 4. I've got a, we're going to call this one tan because it's not really a brown. So we got tan, tan, gray, red, black, and red. And then we have a white and black one with a bullet connector. We've got a 3-pronger here with brown, green, and blue. We've got a yellow. There's that white and black, yellow, green, and yellow and black. And they're all bullet connectors. And then we have this blue one here. Looks like it's built to splice off to 2 different spots. And then moving down just a little bit. So this is all of our crap for up here, I believe. Yep. Then we've got one with 2 green wires. Takes a bullet connector connection. 2 browns. And then we've got this 6-pronger here, where we've got a brown, a green, a yellow, a dark green. There's a light green and a dark green, it looks like. Blue, brown and white. And then this brown and white one comes out and goes into this weird 90-degree one here. And from there it connects to a couple different ones. I'm thinking this is probably something to do with the blinkers or something. I'm not sure. So you got those 2 like that. And then you've got a yellow and green one. Looks like a flat connector because that one's wider versus the round one that's a bullet connector. This one is 2 red and blacks. Moving down the line. Yeah, maybe keep it in the center. Then we've got, this is for the magneto and everything, for where the power starts from. Got a ground, red and black with a bullet connector. Orange, I believe that went to the coil or whatever that guy is. Then we've got this connector here with a white and a green, and a white and red, and this black that goes off to the ground and then runs back into the harness here. And as we go down, get down to toward the back, we've got our green line for the rectifier. We've got our red, I think this was like the power line or something. This needs to be adjusted because there's no inline fuse on it. Like on here, got our fuse going to the battery, comes out. And then, yep. So this end goes to the regulator, and then this end needs a inline fuse and then goes to the battery. Let's see, we're already almost at a 5-minute video here. And then we've got a red and black bullet. I think I just said these ones, didn't I? Well, we got red and white, black and yellow, black and white. This is to that oil sensor, the orange and, was that white or gray? Here's, I think that's white, or supposed to be. That also goes to the rectifier, the little green one. So that one goes to the regulator, and these two hook onto the rectifier. And then you got a main one here. It's 4 lines going in, but it's got 3 connectors that plug in. That's probably the blinkers or something in the back, because of that, I'm thinking. Then at the very end is where your brake light and blinkers hook up. That's these that are back in here. And you got a brown, a blue and yellow, a green and yellow. And I think that's supposed to be the light green. And it's missing this connector piece for this one. And that's the only thing that's missing on this harness. Aside from, you know, it doesn't have this part that comes down. The dash lights and harness wires, which is just a short little piece. So you should have plenty enough to study on there, buddy. You're awesome. Stay awesome. We'll chat more later. I need to get some of this put away and chill.